Well, I have to replace this battery. This right here is the smoke alarm right here battery. And so it keeps on beeping. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the valve. I take it out. Let me go over it. I just simply pull this down. See how that's open right here? It's beeping right here because the battery's low. I'm going to pull it from the back right here. You can see that the positive side right here is on the bottom. The negative side is on the top. You want to remember that. So I take the old battery, toss that, and then I'm going to get a fresh battery right here. This is the Duracell 5-year guarantee. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Pull this out. And then it's still beeping. Just remember I have the positive side on the bottom. I'm just going to simply slide it in like that. Push it. And then put it back right there. And then should be fine, but it says right here, push to reset. I don't know what's going on right here. There we go. It's all set. All right, pretty cool. Thanks a lot for watching.